How have you been?
I'm very good. And you tell about your life. That how's your life?
Yeah, my life is going on good. I'm learning English language, so I'm enjoying this journey also. So this meeting is the first time for us. So please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Dipanshu Verma. I'm from Meerut. I'm just wait 1 minute, ma'am. Actually, there is a technical problem. Okay, ma'am. Sorry for the disturbance, but
Yeah,
yes. Am I
and
audible to you? Okay.
okay, okay.
I'm myself Dipanshu Verma. I'm from Meerut, and I'm a teacher as well as I run a YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Visual Education. About my qualification, I did complete my bachelor's in BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application. Then I completed my MBA in marketing. Now with my YouTube, now with my teaching, I try to help the students to learn new language like spoken English and try to touch the burning problem of the student. As I talk about my hobbies, so I love to do workout, reading books, and playing volleyball. I think it is enough for me. Now, please, ma'am, tell me something about yourself.
It sounds good. Okay, it's my turn. So my name is Neha Bhardwaj. I live in Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. Professionally, I am a teacher. I used to run my coaching center, but recently, when I got married, so I live in a village area. So I teach here only. Apart from, I'm running my YouTube channel also. My channel name is Speaking Zone, and I'm learning this language also. So that's why I started this channel.
Okay. I saw your channel and I want to congratulate you that you worked a lot on your YouTube channel and
Yeah.
you are working very hard nowadays because you upload videos on the regular basis. That is very hard for everyone. Only a
Yeah,
YouTuber
sometimes
can know the
I
feeling.
can't. Sometimes it's happen also. I can't upload a daily basis, but I believe consistency.
Yes, yes,
Not uploading the videos. If you are doing anything for achieve something, so I think consistency is the main factor. If you
yes,
follow
yes.
consistency, so gradually you can improve everything, whatever you have a goal, any target. So easily you can do. Because in a one day we can't achieve anything, but
Yes, yes.
definitely one day we will get all the things
Yes.
whatever we want to in our life. So consistency is very required.
It is said that consistency is the key, and if you want to be successful, so you will have to wait. You will
Yeah,
have to wait. Otherwise, nothing is possible. It is not
yeah.
possible overnight to be
Suppose
successful.
you are doing hard work, but you are not consistent of your hard
Yes,
work. So I think it is no benefit to learn anything, to achieve anything. So consistency is a very important. So I believe, always I believe the consistency. It doesn't matter. I consistency is the get up early in the morning. I
yes,
do consistency in the daily uploaded the video. Yeah, I'm learning in this language. Sometimes, yeah, it's happened we break all the things because it is a life. In life, up and downs comes whenever we get the chance to go to the outside, so we can't continue the consistency. But yeah, it is my best. I want to best in my work, so that's why I do follow the consistency.
okay. Ma'am, as you mentioned that you are running a coaching center, so ma'am, I would like to know that which type of coaching do you provide? I mean, your subject
Oh,
and
I think I already told you I used to run my coaching center before
yes, yes.
marriage. Used to run, but recently I do not run.
Okay, okay,
Okay, because before marriage I belongs to a city area,
okay,
so
okay.
it's very
Uh,
easy to run anything. But in a
yes,
village, it could be difficult for us.
yes,
So that's why right now people are not aware in this area. So yeah, I teach only some students because
Okay.
I shifted here only 5 months ago.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's why I'm new here. So I didn't any plan to run again my coaching center. But yeah, next year definitely I will again restart my coaching center here because when a girl get married to the
Mhm.
someone, so circumstances whole changed
Yes. Yes.
in her
Yeah.
life. So manage everything. It could be difficult. Yeah.
I was about to ask you that how do you manage all things? You are a homemaker and you are a you teach student and you manage YouTube channel and your journey will not be easy. So I would
Yeah.
like to know that how do you manage all such type of things in
It
single day?
it couldn't be difficult. If you have determined anything, whatever you want to achieve in your life, first of all, you should passionate to do
Yes, yes,
this. Yeah, if you have a determination, I have to do this thing. So everything is possible. If we talk about the Narendra Modi, any rich person, they have also a 24 hours. We have also a 24 hours. We can't say like that. We have no time. Any person have a only 24 hours. But the thing is how we utilize our time.
yes,
Time
yes.
management is also required thing. If you
So
manage all the times, yeah, so we can do. Suppose that I have to do also lots of the activities. House chores also I have to do. It is my first priority.
yes,
And my study also is also required, and I have to teach to my student and the work on the YouTube. Everything is required. So last night I prepared all the things whatever next day I have to do. Pre-plan
yes,
to
yes.
set on my mind. Yes, next morning if I have a lots of the work, so I will wake up early. It doesn't matter. I will wake up 2 hour early. Yeah, 1 hour early. Depend on the work only. So this is the reason. And wake up early is the good habit.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. If
One thing,
I also feel like that, if you wake up late, so you feel lazy whole the days, and whatever you want in your life, you can't do it. If you do not complete your promises, whatever you promises did yourself, so how can you fulfill your dreams? Is it possible? Is it not possible? I think.
so as you mentioned that it could not be tough for you. So I can say 100% that you know the time management skill. And you
Yeah.
said about the time that we don't have unequal time to be equal. We have equal time to be unequal.
Yes. Yes, you are right. Uh,
It is all about depends on our priorities. That which priorities we are giving the first time. Am I
yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yes. So whatever you have a dream, so you should work on it on your dreams.
So ma'am, actually, I saw your channel when I saw your channel, and I saw that you are working very hard, and I appreciate this. And you talked on phone and motivate me to run my channel again, and I got relief, and I felt that I should have started my YouTube channel again. And now I'm talking to you, so ma'am, such a great feeling to talk with you because you are very very genuine and inspiring person. Not for me, for all who are watching you on this YouTube because the initiative you took to start a YouTube channel, you will maybe you know or not, you don't know, but there are lots of ladies who are starting their journey to see like you, Dehati ma'am, and all types of women. Whatever you are doing, it is great.
Yeah.
It is appreciable.
It is a very famous lady and she is a
Yes,
motivated person. I talked to her many times. Yesterday
yes,
also she messaged me. I want to
mm,
talk with you. But yesterday I was outside, so I couldn't
oh,
able to talk to her. And whenever she get time, so she messages me for the practicing. So she is an amazing lady. Yeah,
okay,
she is too hardworking and the amazing lady. So when I comes on the YouTube platform, so I talk to many people. So it is a very good thing because
Yes, yes.
we are at home, we can't do anything. Uh, as I mentioned, only the housewives only. Housewife
Okay.
can't able to go anywhere because she has a
Yes, yes.
lots of responsibility. Some housewife has a only small child, small kid, so she can't able to go anywhere. So the she creates the channel and talk to the many people in her communication skills. So it is a very good thing. So
Yes,
I
yes.
talk to also many ladies, and I have a group whenever we get time. So all the girls and the ladies talk together. So it is a good environment.
Yes,
So
yes.
we learn from each to others. And suppose that I'm uploading the video, I'm doing some